Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we feature an amazing 3-bedroom shipping container house in Bellingen, New South Wales, Australia by Container Build Group. Welcome back. This home is built using 3 40-foot and 1 20-foot shipping containers with a stick-built construction in the middle section. Built on a sloping block, a 20-foot container was utilized to act as storage and part of the footing structure for the top story. This design approach helped to keep the home elevated on the block in order to make the most of the incredible views while also giving the family some extra storage space. A charming stone path leads you to a lovely porch which has a well-crafted entrance door. Through the front door, you enter the oasis and the heart of this home, which is the central open-plan living space around which the rest of the house is built. The open-plan living area accommodates a charming lounge space defined by a floor mat and furnished with custom furniture pieces, display shelves, and house accessories. Next to the lounge is a simple dining space, nicely furnished with a custom-designed dining set with chairs that can seat up to 4 or 6 depending on the configuration. The kitchen forms the main highlight of the living room. This modern-style kitchen comes fully fitted with quality kitchen appliances, wood bench tops, plenty of under-the-counter and overhead storage cabinets, and ample windows that light up the kitchen space. Next to the kitchen is a walk-in pantry. The high ceiling and a row of clerestory windows in the living area allows for maximum daylighting and good airflow for natural ventilation. From the living room, sliding glass doors open onto the covered deck, perfect for outdoor living and beautiful panoramic views. Off the living space is a serene master bedroom fitted with a comfy double bed. The bedroom has big glass windows and bedside lights which create a clear view of the outdoors with sliding glass doors that open directly onto the deck. The master bedroom is joined by a deluxe bathroom which features glass enclosed shower cubicle, a large floating bathtub, a toilet and a vanity space. The third bedroom has 2 comfortable children beds with a large window and enough storage cabinets. The entire house has got hardwood floors which creates a warm, welcoming feel. Selected sections on the interior of the house retain the shipping container walls to bring out the industrial charm on the indoors. From outside, there is no secret this amazing home is built out of shipping containers. The grooves of the shipping container walls are equally visible on the exterior, celebrating the industrial theme of the design. The entire building is covered with an additional roof to keep all harsh weather elements away from the shipping containers. Which part of this amazing family home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we feature amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.